When we were younger, we were probably able to get by with a reasonably healthy diet and a bit of exercise. But that's no longer the case as we age. If we don't take care, we lose muscle mass, parts of our brain shrink, we develop inflammation, our metabolism slows, and our digestive systems often become dysfunctional, so that even though we might be eating a healthy diet, we're not able to absorb the nutrients that we need for proper brain and body function. Retirement is a great opportunity to establish some new habits so that you can set yourself up and, as far as possible, maintain your capabilities. I've seen people in their 60s and 70s that still have the functions of people who are in their 30s and 40s, and they do this through getting the right diet and exercise. I can work together with you to put a healthier, delicious diet and enjoyable exercise front and centre of your life so that you can feel vital and alive.